So once you learn about RGBAs and opacity, do you think, well, geez, it'd be so much easier if I just went onto the body here and applied a background color. And in this time, I'm just going to make it RGBA. This is not going to work, by the way. Here's an RGBA that is, let's just make it a little bit white, 0.2, save, or actually, no, I take that back. Let's make it 100, let's make it 90% white. So pretty white. Refresh. Nothing happens. Why? Because background color happens behind a background image, not in front of it. So if this background image, like I have here, is covering the whole body, I'm never going to see my RGBA color at all. So the only thing I can do is to do what I'm already doing, which is to overlay a piece of the page with a background color on it, or go into Photoshop and white out my background image. If you don't have control over your background image and you need to do some kind of overlayment, then it would have to be in this. So I would pick something that is a large section of my page. In this case, section class equals content is the whole entire page. And the only reason I'm seeing borders around it is because I have set a margin on it. But if I go and I take the margins off that, let me turn it into padding, say, instead of margin. Those end up now inside the box. What I'm seeing here on the sides of my page are default body margins. We would not be seeing these if I had applied a normalize.css style sheet. Because I have not linked normalize.css, I'm just going to by hand take the margins off so you can see what I mean. So if I set the margin to 0 on the body, now I have the same situation I did before, basically, right? I have a background image on the body, and then overlaying it, I have a div with all my content with a RGBA background image that's just making it a little bit easier to read my content. And here's my awesome rollover with opacity.